Okay, so we're out here at the shop today, and Julian decided he wants to build a rat rod.
Yep, I want to build something like the D-Rod. Yeah, I want to be a full rat rodder, Yeah.
Well, I got just the thing for him. Let's go check it out. All right, we're gonna go see what we got back here in the pile of love. Through all the old junk we got laying around. Oh shit, I'm tripping over rocks. You good?
Yep.
Okay, let's see what we got here.
Talk about this 56?
No. That's a little too much work to build into a rat rod today.
What are you talking about? Which one? What, this 55?
Nope, not the 55 either. A lot of work. This is it right here. You're on it. This is you.
What the fuck are you talking about?
This is it right here, brother.
I mean, I trust your vision, but, bro, there's no seats. There's no body, bro. I mean, what kind of body are we gonna put on this?
We don't need a body, do we? It's a rat rod. We do what we want. Look at this beauty, huh?
Does it even run?
I don't know, but we're gonna make it run.
Fuck it. Gotta start with something, right?
This is it. This is Julian's beginner rat rod right here.
Rat rod with
Let's get going on it.
training wheels.
Let's try it. Let's see if we can get it running. So Julian has no clue that this thing probably doesn't even run. And if it does, it probably only makes about 50 horsepower. So it's a far cry from the D-Rod, but we got to start somewhere. What do you think of your new rat rod? You want to get in the shop? What?
I'm not saying nothing yet, bro. I mean,
Start pushing. It's your rat rod. Start pushing.
You're not gonna help?
Nope. Oh, that don't sound good. Oh, that's not good. No, it's not supposed to sound like that. That's good. Hey.
What's up?
What are you doing?
Looking for the ESAW welder.
Looking for what?
The ESAW welder.
What are you going to weld?
My rat rod. Weld some brackets on. What's up? You can help? What's up, bro?
Okay, let me help you with that. Yeah, here we are at Steve Arnell's welding school. Build your own rat rod in your shop in about 15 minutes. And so far, it looks like Julian is burning the tip up on my welder right now, but he's doing a good job. Yeah, we'll let you know how this turns out. Hey, Juice. Hey,
What's up?
would you mind if I just took over for a minute and kind of just made sure that those welds look pretty good?
Bro, I was almost done, but yeah, sure.
Yeah, is it okay if I just double check?
Sure.
Okay, thanks, bro.
I was almost done, but yeah.
Okay.
Now what? You just showed me how to make this battery bracket.
So Julian just got done welding up his battery bracket. Did a pretty good job on his rat rod.
Now what?
Now we got to go out and get some junk.
All right.
So I want you to go out there to my junk pile and find me a couple tractor seats we can put on here or something. Or whatever you want. And then I'll sit in here and I'll finish wiring it. We got to do a little wiring so we get an ignition switch. Fire this thing up so we can drive it.
I'll be right back.
Oh yeah, there we go.
It's pretty badass.
Perfect. Couple tractor seats.
It's pretty badass,
Well,
right?
yeah, our asses ought to fit in that.
Yeah.
All right, sweet.
What are you doing, bro?
Getting our on-off switch.
What?
Okay, this is our ignition. This is how we're gonna start it right here.
Some MacGyver shit?
Yep, this is how you do it. This is hot wiring. Okay, let's go do it. Get it run.
Bro, why you look so serious, bro? You look like you get ready to do Gone in 60 Seconds or some
are.
shit.
We are.
All right.
We're getting ready to do some shit here. See this right here? That's key. You can carry that in your pocket.
Okay.
In case you gotta work on some shit once in a while. Okay. There we go. We're gonna make this baby run in a minute here. We get some fresh gas in it. You know what I mean? And get some juice to it so we can fire it up, right, Juice?
Exactly, bro.
Get your rat rod running. It's gonna be sweet. Put our little ground. Are you ready to go? I don't know, this thing hasn't been started for a while, so we'll see how it goes. That'd be pretty fun though, to hear it run. Okay, now we need to wire up our switch. Tape our switch up. Let me grab some tape real quick. All right.
What are you doing, bro?
I'm wiring our ignition switch. See that?
Don't you think this should be in like the dash?
Do you see a dash? We don't have a dash, bro.
Just a suggestion. Wow, bro, it looks like we're making a lot of progress.
We're going to be driving this thing in about another 5 minutes. Okay, so Julian really thinks he's getting quite a rat rod here, but actually, I've got maybe 45 minutes in this thing. And in about 15 more minutes, I'm gonna have this thing running and driving, and maybe it'll get him off my back about this rat rod thing. Anyway.
Who are you talking to, bro?
Nobody. Gotta go. Oh yeah. No, what are you doing?
All right. Make my gas tank, bro. My gas cap.
I hope that don't catch on fire.
Well, I mean.
Okay, we're about ready to fire, dude. We're good. We got a little primer here. We got to dump it in this little carburetor right here. Goes right in there. Give it a little gas so we can fire it up and see what happens. What are you doing, bro?
Safety checking. Oh shit, my gas fell.
Just dumped our gas all over the ground.
Just safety checking everything.
Safety checking?
Yep.
Okay, let's just be clear on this. There's nothing safe about this project. Okay? There's no... If you fall off, the tire's going to run you over.
You know what I'm
that, right?
missing?
What?
A cup holder.
Cup holder?
Yeah.
That's next week.
Slurpees.
We'll continue this.
Slurpees.
Let's get this thing fired up. Let's
Bro,
make it run.
where are we gonna put our Slurpees?
We're going to make cup holders, I promise.
Cool.
Okay. Is our ignition switch?
Yep. Check.
We need a little gas in the carb.
Check.
Okay. Switch on.
Check.
In neutral.
Check.
Okay, ready?
Okay. Let's go. Come on. Drum
Go
roll.
now. Might need a little more love in it.
Dude, I was gonna say on the first rip.
That wasn't bad for a good little start. Whoop. Yeah, let's go ripping.
Man, don't blow my rat rod up, dude.
Let's go drive it. Get on.
Dude, you see that tarantula?
Where?
Right here, dude.
Big ass. Wow, bro, look at that big ass spider.
Damn! No tarantula? Get close to it so you can see it.
Dude, that motherfucker jumps on you. Getting all close.
Just go down there and look
I'm
at
cool,
it.
bro.
Come on.
I'm cool.
Go down and look at
I'm
it.
cool. I'm straight. I'm not Spider-Man. Not Venom. Remember our last experience with spiders? Yeah. Remember we had a bad experience with spiders on the road, traveling?
Yeah! Hell yeah! This is how you do it, by golly. You just get some old junk out of your yard and you just throw some shit together in about an hour and you go have fun. And that's what's going on right now.
Make it run.
We're gonna go out in the desert right now and we're gonna mess with this guy that we see pull up in my desert and we're gonna see what kind of shit he's into.
So, do I get to drive my rat rod?
What?
Do I get to drive my rat rod?
Not yet. Not yet.
Damn,
It's
bro.
coming.
Having too much
I
fun.
try breaking where it's on.
Look at the scenery, guys.
How you liking your rat rod, brother?
Dude, I love it, bro. Oh, shit. Hey, it's pretty good. I love it, dude. 4-wheel drive. I mean, street legal. You know, just gotta give me some lights so if it goes dark, you know, we can see. But other than that, dude, I love it.
Dude.
It's official.
Got your handlebars.
Safety gear, safety goggles,
wide
safety
shot of that.
helmet.
Oh yeah, you look good, bro.
So, can I drop my rat rod yet?
Okay, you wanna drive it?
Yeah, bro. I won't hurt you. I'll be safe, bro.
Alright, don't kill me.
I promise. You're slow as shit.
Alright. What we got here? Julian Nelson. Getting ready to take on his new ride.
Yeah.
You know where the gas pedal is? Nope.
Right there,
Yeah.
bro.
Okay, now. Oh shit, we got something going. There you go, just drop it in a second. That's new. There you go, go back, go straight back. There you go. Whoa,
Bro,
that's reverse. Okay.
he's trying to get used to it. Did come with a owner's manual.
Hold up.
There was no owner's manual.
Try
At first?
that, we'll see what we get.
There we go.
Let it out. Oh, that's dirt. Holy shit, it was all ass. Alright, here you go. Juice dropping his new rat rod. How you feeling, Juice?
Dude, I love it, bro.
Tell me how you really feel, bro.
I love it, dude. I feel free. I feel like I'm a rat rodder official.
Official rat rod of Juice. Rocking the WelderUp shirt. Yep, this is the 1 hour rat rod.
How I look, bro?
You look good, dude. You look dope. I think you're looking really good right now. Got everything out here. What's it feel like to be out here cruising in the desert?
Man,
Chill.
wow. Best feeling ever, dude. You all right?
Tranny right there. Suspension working good back there. Dude, suspension works good.
I like how it handles.
You like how it handles?
Yeah.
Well, I'm feeling pretty satisfied about our little Julian Nelson Juice, as we know him, rat rod build. It only took us an hour of the Hemorrhoid and Juice show. And look at that, just cruising, dude.
What's up, bro?
How you liking it, bud?
Dude, I love it.
You look good on there too.
I love it. Love it. Not
Yeah.
bad for our rat rod.
Yeah, so stay tuned for the Hemorrhoid and Juice show. And we're gonna have more coming to you on Juice's rat rod, right?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Stay tuned.
Peace
More
out.
upgrades coming to it. I'll probably put a 12 valve.
No, we're not. No 12 valve.
Airbags.
No airbags.
Radio.
No radio. Well, maybe a radio. Maybe a radio.
All right. Gotta put some beats.
All right, brother. Peace out.